Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing well. So today's recipe is Paneer Tikka Masala. It is one of my favorite side dish, so let's get started. To make this, take a bowl and add 1 cup of curd, ginger garlic paste, add all the dry masalas. To this I'm adding 2 tablespoons of gram flour or besan, salt to taste, lemon juice and add some hot oil and give it a nice mix. Once the mixture is ready, you can add the paneer, tomato and onion cubes to it. Give it a nice mix until everything is coated well. Marinate this for minimum 30 minutes. In a pan, add oil. Once the oil is steaming hot, add this marinated mixture and give it a nice mix. Fry the paneer nicely until you get this consistency and keep it aside. In the same pan, add oil, cumin seeds, 2 chopped onions, ginger garlic paste and fry until the onions are translucent. Now I am adding 1 cup of tomato puree which I have grinded with some red chilies. Fry the puree nicely until you get a nice boil, and now you can add all the dry masalas like red chili powder, coriander powder and turmeric powder. Fry the masala nicely until it gets a little dry. Now you can add some hot water and give it a nice mix. Cook this masala really well until you see the oil oozing out. Once the oil leaves the masala, add the paneer and give it a nice mix and cook this for more 2 to 3 minutes. Add some garam masala as well and cook it nicely until you get a very good consistency. Garnish it with some kasuri methi and coriander leaves and give it a nice mix and cook for 2 to 3 minutes more. And here is super tasty paneer tikka masala ready to serve. Try this recipe and enjoy it with your choice of bread. You will definitely love it. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Bye.